guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and for today's video is gonna be about Nars Radiant Foundation, the new one that just came out. I will be doing a review and also a first impression. So this video is going to be about that. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, right here, right now. And also turn on your notification because I do upload Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I now upload 3 days a week. So don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can get notified from me every time I do upload. So I already did my eyebrow off camera, which it's something simple. I always do my eyebrows, so I really didn't want to show it on camera because I do have a lot of tutorial that I am doing my eyebrow on camera. So right now we are going to go start off, and I have a couple new stuff here. But first, let's talk about this Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation right here. The funny thing is that I did a video because I never wear Nars, nothing Nars ever before in my life. This is my first time ever ordering from Nars. And the funny thing is that last week I did a video of me trying the new Nars foundation, and I went online. I went to Ulta and I ordered the Nars foundation, which is this one right here. And I didn't realize that this is not the new Nars foundation at all. This is not the new one. This is the one that already came out like maybe a long time ago. I don't really know. And then I was like, hold up. After I finished the video, I was like, hold up. Why this one feels so liquidy and it's so runny, and every one tutorial that I see is very thick. So I was like, okay, did I order the new Nars foundation, or did I order the foundation that was before the new one? So I went on Nars website itself, and I realized that I ordered the wrong one. I ordered the wrong one, and I was like, oh, this is a new foundation. I love it. I this, I that. And I could not post the video. I would look so stupid. So this is the old Nars, and this one is called, let me see the box here, All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. So this is the one that I ordered and I was raving about. And then this is the new one. I couldn't bring this back because I ordered it a long time ago, like 3 weeks to a month, and I just put it down. I never did a review. So I just have it, and I really don't like bringing back stuff. So this is a new Longwear foundation, Natural Radiant, and I also got the concealer, which I do have the other Nars concealer here. So I bought the new concealer and also the new foundation, and I will be doing a review. So these are the new one here, and I am in the shade McCoy. I'm in the shade McCoy, and hopefully this is really my shade. And for the concealer, I am in the shade Amanden. These names are just crazy, but I'll put it up on the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mario face spray, and I'm just gonna let it sit into my skin because I do have dry skin. So I really don't want my skin to feel dry when I put the foundation on, because I really don't know how it is. So normally I would do my eyes first, but right now I don't think I'm going to do nothing at all to my eyes. I'm just going to leave it as that. I maybe put on some lashes and stuff, but for like any shadows, I'm not going to do anything. Okay, so I also got this NYX Honey Dew Me Up, and this is how it looks. And I think this is like a radiant primer. Yeah, it's a primer, and I never have it before. I never see anybody use it. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it's very sticky, like it's sticky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a little bit, and I'm gonna wear this foundation throughout the day because I am going out right now It is almost 2 o'clock in the evening and I am going out. So basically I'm going to be wearing this foundation throughout the day, and then I'm going to tune in back later on, maybe like after 8, after 9 in tonight, and I'm going to see how it is on my skin. Okay, so now for the Nars foundation, I am going to shake it up a little bit. And I love the pump. It is so nice. All you got to do is just pump it onto your hand. And, okay. I'm going to take a couple right here. And this foundation looks just like my skin tone. So let's see how it goes. So I'm using a damp beauty blender. So I'm going to do one side, and then I'm going to go ahead and see the other side. And they say it's full coverage. And the way how it is right now is definitely full coverage. It kind of reminds me of my Fenty. You know, people saying it's not full coverage, but for me, it reminds me of the Fenty. It does. So I'm just going to go ahead and just show you one side, and then I'll show you the other side without the foundation. Okay guys, so I did one side of the foundation, and this is how it looked. And then this is how the other side look without the foundation. And you can see that it's a whole lot different. It's full coverage and it's really nice. It's really nice, and I did not color correct at all. So I am liking this because I do have, you know, dark spot right here. And you can see on this side that it doesn't show at all. So I am loving this foundation so far. But let's see how it goes throughout the day. So next I'm going to go into the Nars concealer, and this one is called Radiant Creamy Concealer, and my shade is Amendment. So I'm going to go and conceal right here under my eyes. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralizing Skin Finishing Powder, and you can see it's hidden pan. I need to go to MAC to get another one. So basically I'm just going to go ahead and just brush off the excess powder that I have under my eyes. Okay, so now that the powder and the foundation and the concealer is on, I'm going to go ahead and quickly finish off my face. I'm going to go ahead and just put on some lashes and maybe a wing, I don't know, and some contour, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I am back. Mascara is on, wing is on, glow is on, lips is on, and I am wearing the Fenty Balm. And yeah, pretty much I just go simple because I want the main focus to be my skin, which is the Nars foundation. So put my little wig on and my little jacket. So I am, what time is it right now? It is now 2:30 in the evening. So I will be back in a couple of hours. I have a lot of stuff to do on the road, and I have a meeting to go to, and I will be in the meeting for 3 hours. So I will be back in a couple of hours, and then I will show you the full result of how my natural Nars Radiant whatever look on my face, and how it is after a couple of hours, because you know I do have dry skin. So I will come back and I will show you the full result. Okay guys, so I am back, and right now it is 9 o'clock on the dot. I did this makeup at 2:30, and right now it is 9 o'clock. So here's the tea on this foundation. Okay guys, so this is how my face look after 6.5 hours. If I'm not mistaken, I did it at 2:30, and now it's 9 o'clock on the dot, and this is what my face look like. Okay guys, so obviously I do have smile line. It is so obvious. I always have smile line, even with my favorite foundation, which is MAC in NW45. And wow, look at my nose. Let me just come closer so you can see my nose. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen. I'm gonna take a picture of my face so you can see my nose. But basically my nose is chipping. It's like really chipping off, and none of my foundation do that to me. None. Even the cheapest foundation, you guys know Nars foundation is almost $50, and my nose is chipping. My camera, my lighting is bright right now, so I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to go ahead and put a picture up on the screen so you can see. And my nose is chipping. Obviously my smile line is like always there. And obviously my forehead, you can see that my foundation is moving right here, but it's mostly right here, like on the T-zone area. Like, I don't know, it's right over here around my mouth and on my forehead. So let me read up on what this foundation is supposed to do. And I am on the Nars website right now, and I'm gonna go and see what it says. The foundation have 33 shade. So this is what the foundation say, okay? Introducing Nars first 16-hour foundation that stays true on by the powder of radiance. Untractable, unstoppable, unlike anything else. Longwear is fully lightweight and radiant. High coverage is now supernatural and breathable. Fade resistant formula infused with raspberry, apple, and watermelon extract to help smooth and improve the look of your skin instantly and over time of full powder radiance. Alright, so I'm not seeing none of this, what they're saying on their website. Like right now, I just want to scream because I paid $49 for this, and look at my face. As I said, I had this on from 2:30. Now it's 9 o'clock, and I was out. I was all over the place. And if it says 16-hour foundation, Longwear foundation, it's not 16 hours yet, and my skin is like the foundation is moving and all of that. So basically, you guys know what the deal is. This is not no full coverage Longwear 16-hour foundation nonsense, all right? This $49 foundation is nothing like the way how it says supposed to be, okay? My Fenty and my Huda and my, what is it? The Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me foundation is 10 times better than this $49 Longwear Nars Radiant Foundation, okay? I want my money back, Nars. I want my money back. No, I'm serious. Look at my nose. You see it? All right. You see? Okay, I am so upset right now because I paid $49 for this, including shipping and handling, and I work, okay? I work. So I'm supposed to get my money's worth, okay? And this is not acceptable. Don't get me wrong, I love the concealer. I will never stop wearing the concealer, but I don't think that I will ever even try this foundation again. I don't think so, because look at my nose. Like, seriously, look at my nose. None of my foundation ever did this to me. I am so dead serious. Even the cheapest foundation never did this to me, and I'm not happy, Nars. I am so not happy. This is a mess. This is a fail. Really? Like, no, this is not good. Like, I want my $49 plus shipping and handling back because my skin is a mess. Okay guys, so basically that's my review. You know, I never did a review that I was so upset before in my life. Like, if you look through my videos, this is the first review. As I said, this is the first time ever trying Nars foundation, anything to do with Nars, and I am not happy. I am not happy at all because I don't want to go outside and, you know, look weird with this foundation on. My nose is a mess. Like, it is a mess. Like, what is it? What is it? Like, I have dry skin, so I don't know if it's to do with my dry skin, but I did moisturize a lot before I put on this foundation, and it's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to. Like, what really Nars? Like, Longwear 16-hour Longwear foundation, don't get me wrong, it feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have on any foundation at all. When I first put it on, it looks so natural. It reminds me of my MAC that I love, and my Fenty. But after a while, this is what it looks like, and I'm just not pleased at all. Like, I don't know what else to say. Okay guys, so basically this is it of my first impression slash review of the Nars Longwear 16-hour Longwear foundation. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Tell me what kind of foundation that you want me to try next that I never tried before. Any tutorial that you like that you want me to do. Anything, it doesn't matter, anything, just leave it down in the comment section. And don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday for more video of me. Please don't forget to turn on your notification, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.